Hey everybody and welcome. Today we are going to go over a Stockwell Marshall speaker that does not hold a charge. So here you can see me pressing the power button and just nothing happens. I tried to charge it overnight and this battery is dead. I picked up a battery on Amazon, the link is in the description, and this is how to swap them out. A lot of the Marshall speakers are very similar, so if you have any questions let me know. This one was very straightforward. So the battery comes with a screwdriver, and it is a torque screwdriver to take out these two little screws you see here. You take off the cover. I tried to use this little tool that they gave me with the battery, but it's really kind of useless, so just flip it over and the top will come off. Put that to the side, take out the old battery right here and unplug it. At first it seems like it might not want to come out, but it is actually just a pull plug. You do not have to press any tabs or anything. You just give it a little tug and it'll come out. Alright, so this is the new battery. I actually put a little bit of scotch tape on it to make sure that I could get it out once I put it back in. And here's me trying to figure out what is the best orientation for me to put this battery in. It ends up being where the wires go across the battery. It is put in with the black back facing outward, and then that lets the cover fit back in pretty perfectly. Put those two screws back in and you should be good to go. You'll see here at the end we test it for power. That battery came pre-charged, so turn it on, hold the power button, and there you go.